So, welcome back Standard 8 Indices and Cube Root. This is lesson number 3, Standard 8. In this exercise 3.1, question 1, express in the index form. One or two questions I will solve. Remaining I will give you for the homework. Number 1, fifth root of 13. Answer I am writing here directly. Fifth root means raised to 1 upon 5, whose 13. So 13 raised to 1 upon 5. Then third is square root. Square root of 256. 256. The answer is 256. And square root means raised to 1 upon 2. In the radical sign it is written as fifth root of 13. This in the radical sign is written as under root of 256. So here it is 2, that you understand. But our answer, this is not required now. This is not asked. This question is separate. Represent or write in the radical form. This question is separate. Write in the radical form. That also along with this I am teaching you. But our answer is only this now. So remaining sums of exercise 3.2, 3.1 are for your exercise. So question number 2 now I am doing. Write in nth root of A. Write in nth root of A. This form I want for. This is your question number 2. Now this is the first one is 81 raised to 1 upon 4. This is the fourth root of 81. So I will write this as fourth root of 81. So remaining this way you can solve all this. Number 2 also I will do 49 raised to 1 upon 2. This is square root of 1 upon 2 means square root. Square root of 49. And one another sum I will give, it is not given in the textbook, this form. Say suppose 100 raised to 1 upon 3. This has also a particular name, cube root of. Cube root of 100. This way, this question also I have completed. Okay. So here I will stop with this question and I will go for the next exercise, exercise 3.2. There are only these two questions in this exercise. That also I will write for you. Complete the following table, question 1, 3.2 exercise. Complete the following table. Here it is written, the number is written, and we have to write power of the root, power of the root, and then I want root of the power, root of the power. This table I have to complete. 2-3 sums I will take from this. The second one I am taking. Second one is 45 raised to 4 upon 5. Power. Which power? Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Power is this and this is the root. So fourth power of fifth root of, which is that number, 45, and root, which is the root, fifth root, which is the power, fourth power. So fifth root of fourth power, whose of, this is 45, of 45. On this basis, then I will take the fifth one, 21 raised to 3 upon 7. Power, which power? This is the power. This is third power. So it is called as the cube of. Third power is called cube. And second power is called square. So cube of. Which root? Seventh root. Of whose? 21. Then root of the power. Which root? Seventh root. What is the power? Cube. So I will write this as seventh root of cube. This is the power of 21. Understood this? Another one sum I have to take, that is not given. So say suppose 53 raised to 2 upon 3. Which is the power? 2 is the power. So it is called as the square of. This is the cube root. Upon 3 means the cube root of cube root of 53. Why I have taken this? Because this type of the sum is not given in the textbook. So that's why I have taken this in the question. And in the examination I am going to ask you such questions where all of you will go wrong. Then the root of. Which root? Cube root. Third root means the cube root. You have to write specifically. Cube root of. Which power? Cube root of the power. Power is what? 2. Square. Cube root of square of, what is that number? 53. Hope that this is all clear to you. So remaining sums are for you to solve as the homework. Now this was the question number 1. Now I am going to do the question number 2nd, and here I will complete this video, and question number 3 we will do in the separate video. Question 2. Earlier was question 1. So write the following numbers in the form of the rational indices. Write in the form of rational indices. I will write only indices. In that, the question number 1, square root of fifth power of 121. Here itself I am going to write the answer. Whose? 121. So 121 I will put the bracket to it. What? Square root. Square root means upon 2. Which power? Fifth power. So 5 upon 2. Power is always written here and root is always in the upon. The third one I will take fifth root of square of 264. So of whose 264 I will write in the bracket 264. Fifth root means here, this is fifth root of square means here, this is the index. Hope that you have understood this and you will do this well. And the remaining questions you have to do as the homework. If I can finish this in the same video, I will see it. But generally, I don't think, because exercise 3.3 is a bigger exercise. There are two questions. For that, I will solve most of the sums, and a separate video number 2 will be there. So hope that you have understood this. Do well. See all the video very properly.